The first 90 days after arriving in a new country can shape your entire immigration journey. This period is not just about settling in, but about building the foundation for your success, whether you have moved for study, work, family, or permanent residency. There are key steps you must take to stay legally compliant, adjust quickly, and begin building a stable life. Let us walk you through the most important things you need to do in your first 3 months after immigration. Step 1. Register your address. One of the first things you must do in many countries is to register your new address with local authorities. This is often required by immigration law and can impact your ability to get a resident card, health coverage, or access other public services. Find out where to go, whether it is a local city office, municipal center, or immigration agency. Take your passport, visa, and proof of residence, such as a rental agreement or a letter from your host. Failing to register your address on time can lead to penalties or delays with your immigration process. Step 2. Apply for a national identification number. Most countries issue a national ID number or tax number that allows you to work, pay taxes, open a bank account, and access public systems. This could be called a personal number, tax number, or social security number, depending on the country. Without it, you cannot legally work or register for many essential services. Make this one of your first priorities within the first 1 or 2 weeks of arriving. Step 3. Open a local bank account. You will need a local bank account to receive payments, pay bills, and set up mobile or internet services. Most banks will ask for your ID, passport, visa, proof of address, and sometimes your employment contract or student letter. Choose a bank that offers services in your language or has good online support for newcomers. Having a bank account also makes it easier to start building credit in your new country. Step 4. Secure health insurance. Many countries require immigrants to have valid health coverage from the day they arrive. Some nations offer public health care, while others require you to buy private health insurance. Check if your visa type qualifies you for public insurance, or if you need to enroll in a private plan. Health insurance will give you access to medical care and protect you from high unexpected costs. Step 5. Register for language or integration classes. See if you are moving to a country where the local language is different from your own. This is the best time to start learning language, and integration classes are often free or subsidized for immigrants. They help you understand the culture, meet people, and navigate daily life more easily. Joining these programs in the first 90 days shows that you are serious about adapting and becoming part of the community. Step 6. Enroll your children in school or daycare. If you have children, make sure they are enrolled in school or daycare as soon as possible. Education is usually mandatory, and enrollment may also be a condition of your visa. Contact the local school board or education department to understand the steps. Bring necessary documents such as birth certificates, vaccination records, and school transcripts. Tip 7. Find safe housing. If you arrived with temporary accommodation, now is the time to search for more permanent housing. Start by learning the rental process in your new city, including lease agreements, deposits, and tenant rights. Use trusted platforms or local agents who understand immigrant needs. Secure housing that is safe, affordable, and close to services like transport, schools, and grocery stores. Step 8. Begin looking for work or starting your job. If you came on a work visa or with permission to work, this is when you either start your job or begin searching. Update your resume or CV to match local standards and register with job agencies. Apply for jobs that match your qualifications or explore local licensing if your profession is regulated. Attend networking events, join immigrant support groups, and stay active in your search. Step 9. Understand local laws and your rights. Take time to learn about the rules and rights that apply to you as an immigrant. This includes your rights at work, your obligations under your visa, and how to avoid common legal issues. There are often community centers or online guides that explain these clearly. Knowing your rights helps you stay protected and make informed decisions as you settle in. Step 10. Start building a social and support network. Do not isolate yourself during your first 3 months. Join cultural groups, attend newcomer events, connect with neighbors, and visit community centers. Building a support system will reduce stress and help you adjust more smoothly. Make an effort to meet locals and other immigrants who can guide you through their experience. Bonus tips: keep a copy of all important documents with you and backed up online. Monitor the expiration dates of your visa permits and applications. Set reminders for immigration appointments, work start dates, and integration classes. Create a checklist of everything you need to do and update it with Clier. First 90 days after immigration are full of important steps that can make your new life smoother and more successful. This is your foundation for legal stability, financial independence, and cultural adaptation. Take action early, stay organized. And do not be afraid to ask for help along the way. Have questions about the video or need clarity? Book a one-on-one session. Full info in the description box.